Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a sorry card. We're going to be using Sorry for Everything and Around the Corner, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and from the Stitch Layering Rectangles, I have this one. Make our sandwich and run that through. All right, and then the Sorry for Everything, we're going to use the big sorry, and I wish I could make everything better. And I have this mounted on Clear Block I, and I'm just going to bring in my fresh fig. So just like that. And then our card base is PEAR PIZZAZZ, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And our sentiment is mounted on Clear Block D. And I'm just going to ink that up in the fresh fig as well. So just like that. And then from around the corner, I just want these little curvy looking things. Kind of looks like maybe some ribbon for birthdays or something, but I like it. And I'm just going to put it in these two corners here. We'll put this aside. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to come in with my snail. Actually, I have a piece of the Floral Romance, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle, this adhesive. So just like that. And then I have the PEAR PIZZAZZ shimmer ribbon, and I'm just going to put that across here. And I'm going to come in with some regular tape, and we'll tape this on the back. And then now I'm going to bring in the snail on the Whisper White piece. And make sure I put it on the outside the right way. And then we're just going to center it like that. And then I have these frosted flowers. Just going to get these open. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up these pink ones here. Just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And put one more in the middle there. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to tell someone you're sorry. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!